Hi, I'm Jim Howarth, Director of Field Operations for Symbiont Service. Summer's at our doorstep, and it's an important time to start thinking about having a maintenance run on your air conditioning system to ensure it's working at its peak performance. We're also still offering personal protection when we go to your residence. So if you're interested in having your maintenance run or purchasing a maintenance, give us a call at our office today.
So today we're going to go over a planned maintenance. We're going to talk about the 32-point checklist that we do that goes over your entire AC system. So what we do in the first portion of our checklist, we go over all of your electrical connections here within the electrical compartment. We go over your blower, clean your blower if it needs cleaned. We clean your coil if it's necessary. And we clean out the drain pan and the drain line in this unit. So one of the things we check, if you have the REMI Halo ionizer, which helps kill viruses in the home, what we'll do is we also check that as part of our maintenance. So we'll unplug it, pop it out like that, and we'll check the bulb in it to see if it needs replaced. Alright, so this here is your safety switch for your drain line. If your drain line were to ever back up, it shuts the unit off so it does not flood your house or your garage. The next thing we're going to talk about is this right here. This is the 5-inch pleated filter that the customer has. And what we do is we take the door off right here, pull this filter out. If it needs replaced, we will replace it. These types of filters are good for about 6 months to a year. And sometimes you can get a little bit longer, but that depends on the home conditions. So now we're going to move outside to the drain line and we're going to show you how we backwash the drain and clean it out. Alright, so next what we're going to do, we're going to go over the drain. This is the condensate drain for the air handler, and without regular maintenance, this is what they'll look like on the inside. They get backed up and that clogs your drain line. And that will cause your unit to shut off in the middle of the night usually. So what we'll do is we will go ahead, backwash the drain. And that'll get most of the stuff out right there. And then what we do is we'll put our vacuum on it to suck everything back out while we're working on the rest of your system. Alright, and so before we usually go inside, what the techs will do, we'll take our vacuum here, we'll hook this up to your drain line, and we'll suck the drain out while we're working on the rest of your system. Alright, so this is a variable type air conditioner. This is the variable frequency drive that's inside of it. And one of the things we do throughout the maintenance is we'll check all of these connections, make sure this board is in good working order. We'll check all of your wire connections. We'll change the contactor if necessary. We will check to see if the contacts are burnt in it. We will pop the lid off this unit if we need to clean all the leaves out of it, clean out the coil. And as you can see right here, on this unit at this customer's house, this Armaflex is ripped. One of the things we'll do is we'll actually replace all of this up into the chase right here if necessary.
So I hope you enjoyed our overview of our planned maintenance 32-point checklist. We didn't really show you every 32 points, obviously, but we're going to post on this video a list of all the 32 points we do check. We really believe in maintenance. It protects your investment. It keeps the efficiency. It's recommended by the manufacturers, prevents nuisance breakdowns, and you get preferential service with a discount. So if you're interested, please go to our website, geothermalflorida.com, or call the office, 1-800-881-4328. Thanks for listening.